Within each of these areas, we can perform different types of analyses, depending on our goals. Descriptive analytics allow us to summarize historical data for reports of profit and losses or social media metrics, for example. Predictive analytics use past and present data to make predictions about the future, using techniques like data mining, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Imagine tracking learners' search inquiries to predict training needs before they become widespread and problematic. Diagnostic analytics help us analyze a specific problem and identify the cause of that problem. We might look at learners' page views and clicks to identify why online courses or MOOCs have low completion rates. Prescriptive analytics build on these other types and attempt to find a solution using past and present data and an analysis of the problem. Which developmental opportunities are more useful for breaking the glass ceiling? As you can see, we can use big data to describe elements of the T&D system, make predictions about future needs, diagnose problems, and find solutions. Regardless of your goal, big data can provide unique insight that you can't find elsewhere.